And we're back to learning Inkscape in a year, day 67. Let me show the difference between smooth and corner nodes. I create a line yet again. In this case, I use the pen tool and I give it a stroke, no fill. And when I use the nodes tool, I can drag this into a curved line. And if I select one of the nodes, you can see these handles. And the handles allow you to adjust the curve. And both in this case are corner nodes. So start and end nodes are by default corner nodes. And if I double click here on the top line, we have a third node, and this is actually a smooth node. So by default, if you create a new node, it will be a smooth node. And you can transform them right here via these two options. So make selected node a corner node or a smooth node. And what does that mean? Well, as I've said, the one here on top is a smooth node. But if I left click here, you can see the diamond icon appears where the rectangle was before. So these little indicators for the node are either a diamond or a rectangle. And the rectangle is the smooth node, and that means that the handles, they are connected. So when you left click drag right here on the left hand side, the right one gets adjusted accordingly. But that behavior is not true for the corner node. So when I transform that into a corner node, I can drag these handles individually around and therefore adjust the angle individually. Let me show that on a circle. I go to path object to path. I have my 4 nodes. By default, these are all smooth nodes. So on a closed shape, you don't have start and end point. Therefore, they're all smooth. And we have this rectangle. Let me turn it into a corner node. And there you go. So you can now adjust these handles and create very, very sharp angles here at the corner. And when you have a corner node, you can simply select it and turn it into a smooth node again. And then the corner will be, as the name suggests, smooth. So there will be no sharp edges and the handles will be connected. And there's a difference between a corner node and a smooth node. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.